Good day, students. I hope that you are all doing well today. And this is Teacher Ray again. I'm back. And for today's lesson, we are going to study about the weight and types of scales. Okay, kindly repeat after teacher. Weight and types of scales. Okay, these are the things that we are going to learn today. Are you ready? Very good. Okay, but before anything else, let's do our vocabulary. Okay, so please don't forget to repeat after teacher so that you can learn on how to read and spell and pronounce it correctly. Okay, number one, help, help, help. Spell H-E-L-D. H-E-L-D. Help, help. Good job. Number two, balance, balance, balance. Spell B-A-L-A-N-C-E. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. Balance, balance. Good job. Number three, spring, spring. Spell S-P-R-I-N-G. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring, spring. Very good. Okay, here I want you to get your mathematics book and open it to page 74. Again, get your mathematics book and open it to page 74. Okay, let's read this together. Heavy things are difficult to carry. Light things are easy to carry. Okay, look at this example. Heavy. Okay, look at this man. The man is very strong and he is holding the metal, or shall we say he is a weightlifter. Okay, so that's not easy thing. That is heavy. Okay, and the other side, as you can see, a man holding a pillow. Okay, so that is easy to hold and light or light. Okay, next, let's read this together. Grams and kilograms are used to measure weight. Grams and kilograms are used to measure weight. These are very important, okay? Because you don't know how many grams, how many kilograms, if your scale doesn't have these two units, okay? So you have to remember this one. Next, 1 kilogram in Thailand is the same as 1 kilogram everywhere else. That means 1 kilogram throughout the world have the same 1 kilogram. Say, for example, our 1 kilogram in the Philippines, and Cambodia, or even in the US, we have the same 1 kilogram. Okay? Next, let's read this together. When people talk about weight, they use grams and kilograms to tell others how heavy something is. Okay? So these two units would tell us how heavy something is. Just remember that one. Okay, so before we proceed, let's do or practice our words to learn. But we don't need to spell. These are the things that we are going to learn in this unit. Okay, so all you have to do is just repeat after me. Okay, okay, everybody saying weigh, weigh, weight, scales, kilogram, gram, kid, measurement. Okay, one more. Weigh, weight, scales, kilogram, gram, kid, measurement. Good job. Okay, here, please take a look on this example. Review of units used to measure the weight of things. Example, write the answers about the units used to measure the things below. Number 1, how many balls does the car weigh? Okay, please take a look on this picture. At the right side, we have 3 balls. At the left side, we have 1 car. Okay, so let's go back to the question. How many balls does the car weigh? There are 3 balls. Number 2, how many erasers weigh the same as 3 crayons? Okay, let's take a look on this picture. At the right side, we have how many erasers? 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8 erasers. At the left side, we have how many crayons? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 3 crayons and there are also 8 erasers. Now let's go back to the question. How many erasers weigh the same as the 3 crayons? Okay, very good. So there are 8 erasers. Number 3, the mango weighs the same as 4 balls. How many balls should be taken out to make it balance? Okay, let's take a look on this picture. The 1 mango and the 6 balls are not in balance. So if in order to make them in balance, how many balls are we going to take out? Okay, so we need to take 2 balls out to make them balance. Okay, number 4, how many apples are equal to 1 papaya? Okay, look at the scale. It is balanced already. At the right side, we have 4 apples. At the left side, we have 2 papayas. Okay, so what do you think? How many apples are equal to 1 papaya? Okay, yes, of course, since there are 4 apples and 2 papaya, that means in each papaya is equivalent to 2 apples. Very good. Okay, so our answer here is 2. Okay, now let's proceed to types of scales. Okay, let's repeat after teacher. Balance scales. Balance scales. Okay, this is the old kind of scale. Next, spring scales. Spring scales. Okay, this kind of scale, you can see this in the market. Most of the people there are using this kind of scale. And don't forget, these 2 scales are used to weigh food and small parcels. Okay? Used to weigh food and small parcels. Okay, another type or form of balance scales and spring scales. Okay, next. Repeat after me. Handheld scales. And bathroom scales. The handheld scales held in hand to weigh things that are not heavy. Why? Because you are just holding this kind of scale and put something that you wanted to know its weight. Okay? And the bathroom scales used to weigh people. You can see this kind of scale, especially in the hospital, in the clinic, okay? Or even at home. Okay, another form of handheld scales, bathroom scales. Please do remember that handheld scales used to weigh things that are not heavy, and the bathroom scales used to weigh people. The last one, I think this is the last one, the platform scales. Okay, repeat after me. Platform scales used to weigh people and heavy things. Oh, so this is the kind of scale that used to weigh people and heavy things. So that means you can see this kind of scale in the factory, in the even also in the supermarket. Okay. Okay, another form of platform scale. And the last one, we have digital scale. You can see also this in the market. Okay, used to weigh people and heavy things. Okay, let's proceed to our activities. Number 1, and open it. And please don't forget to open your math book to page 75 and answer this. Number 1, how many balls does the car weigh? Number 2, how many erasers weigh the same as 3 crayons? Number 3, the mango weighs the same as 4 balls. How many balls should be taken out to make it balance? Number 4, how many apples are equal to 1 papaya? Okay, so that's all for today. And please don't forget to send your work to our line so that we teachers can check it properly. See you for our next video. Bye-bye.